What is industry? An economy has three parts: primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry. Industry may mean part of the economy concerned with creating or manufacturing goods, typically in factories. Industry processes raw materials to make things that people, companies, and governments buy. The term also refers to the group of companies that belong to a specific sector of the economy. Industry in macroeconomics refers to a sector in which the competing firms are involved in similar activities. For example, I could say AXA is one of the leading companies in the insurance industry. Some large companies belong to more than just one industry. The German company Siemens is active in the power generation, medical technologies, and other industries. There are four main industries in an economy: the primary industry, which includes mining, quarrying, fishing, forestry, and agriculture. The secondary industry takes what the primary industry produces and processes it to manufacture goods. The tertiary industry is the service industry and includes finance, investment, real estate, retail, tourism, etc. The quaternary industry is information-based and includes IT, research and development, technological development, consulting, education, and teaching. The adjective of industry is industrial. If we are driving through an area with many factories, I might say this is an industrial area. We call the modern ones industrial parks. A related noun, industrialist, refers to a powerful business person who owns a large company with factories. If a country has a high standard of living, we can call it an industrial country. Industrial countries have advanced economies. They contrast with developing or underdeveloped countries. The US, UK, Canada, Western Europe, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, and South Korea are industrial countries. Thank you for watching this brief video on industry.